Alright, what you're seeing right now is the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro. You can tell it's a super cool black colorway, and there's also a really flashy light ring below the camera. Of course, to unlock the true mecha mode, you need to put on this phone case. Doesn't it just feel instantly right after you snap the case on? In fact, the camera module still keeps the family style design, but this star ring really stands out. The phone case is also pretty cool and flashy. Like I mentioned before, this is a phone with a built-in fan. The official name for this feature is the Extreme Wind Cooling Engine, and to turn on the fan, you just pull down the notification bar. There's a cooling fan option here, and you can even choose between two different levels. On the side of the phone, you can see a pair of air vents here. If you put your hand close, you can really feel the strong airflow. Let's make it even more obvious. If we hold a lighter here, you can see the flame gets blown sideways from quite a distance. You could say it has a really powerful cooling function. Just turn on the faucet like this and rinse the phone under the water, especially aiming at the fan area. Just give it a gentle rinse, and the dust is completely gone. That's right, unlike other phones with fans, Oppo actually supports water resistance. The fan isn't just for gaming. In daily life, when we're live streaming outdoors, high temperatures make it impossible to continue. But with an active cooling fan, you can easily handle hot outdoor. Now, let's run some game tests. We're going straight for the benchmark, and in the game assistant, we're turning on every possible setting. You should know that after turning on these features, the temperature rises sharply. As you can see, I've maxed out all graphics settings, no compromises. The graphics quality is excellent, and the screen is very large. My review standard is very straightforward. I play for 20 minutes, then measure the temperature at the hottest point. Looking at the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, the heat it generates is pretty intense. The highest temperature reached 47 degrees. This is with all the graphics settings maxed out and the game assistant fully enabled, so don't compare it to a scenario everything is turned off. The temperature is on the high side. Turn on the built-in cooling fan and set it to its most powerful turbo mode. The light ring on the back lights up. We keep on gaming. After that, I battled like this for almost 20 minutes, and the whole time, everything ran smoothly. Remember, this is the most impressive part. Let's check the temperature again. Right now it's already 45 degrees Celsius. You should know, this level is on par with most phones equipped with the Qualcomm A chip. But of course, our goal doesn't stop there. Even though the phone already has a built-in cooler, we're going to add an external one as well, the super system of the cooling fan. You can see here, there's a phone case. Damn, the upper right corner actually has liquid cooling, and there's also a magnetic cooling back clip. Next, we'll give you a demonstration. There are two holes here, lined up with the phone case, and the cooler even has built-in lights. Super cool. Gamer with a smile, seeing this setup at the front desk. Do you feel totally confident now? The turbo fan engine combined with the turbo cooling kit is honestly insane. Right now, I've switched to the forest track and activated the strongest mode. The lights have all turned red. There's a button below the cooling kit, and once you press it, you can switch to an even more powerful setting. This must be what true Berserk mode is. Here comes the coolest part. Look at the top right corner. The liquid cooling system inside has now been activated and will provide comprehensive cooling for the phone. Now let's play some games again and see if the performance can break records once more. Honestly, testing this phone is seriously exhausting. I played games continuously for over an hour, and now let's check the temperature. The highest is only 40 degrees. With all graphics settings maxed out and enhanced, and in the middle of a blazing summer, this kind of performance is truly unbelievable. Keep in mind, this might just be a phone in the 2000 yuan price range. With the support of the turbofan engine and the turbofan kit, it's unleashing power that shouldn't even belong to it. After all, no matter how well you optimize or how much passive cooling you stack on, it can't compare to the heat dissipation of an active fan. Next, if you have really demanding gaming needs but your budget isn't high, then the Oppo K13 Turbo Pro is definitely a very good choice. Alright, that's it for today's video.